Hey guys, when you're living with Livy, you're always getting something fresh out of the kitchen. And today, we're going to be making the best pasta dough ever. Okay, let's get right to it. So, first, you're going to need 3 large eggs. I have mine straight from the chicken's butt. Next ingredient, you're going to need 2 cups of AP flour. Next, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure it's extra virgin. And then you're going to need 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Make sure that it is fine green. The last ingredient you're going to be needing is 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, let's get right to it. So, I'm going to start off with the flour. 1. Put that in. 2. Okay, now that it's in there, let me show you the best trick to do. I always love to do it. It's so much easier. Make sure it's like that, and then just make a well, dig a hole in it to make like a well so that you can put your eggs and everything in there. Okay, all good. Next, I'm going to crack my 3 large eggs. There we go. 2. Okay, last egg. 3. Okay. And now we're gonna use the olive oil next. Okay. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's put that right there. Okay. 2. Whenever you're making something with olive oil, I recommend leaving the measuring spoon or cup like this for a couple seconds so that all of the olive oil goes down into it, because it's like goopy, so you always want to get all of that out. Next, I'm going to put in the salt. Okay, next we're going to do the 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, I'll see you after 7 minutes when I'm done mixing it. Sorry, Nanas. I know I'm cheating. I love using my KitchenAid. Next, I'm going to use my dough hook and mix it for 7 minutes. See you in 7 minutes. Okay, guys, I'm back. I think the pasta's done. Okay. So make sure to put flour down on the table because it might get a little sticky. I put flour on my hands too, just in case. So you'll know when it's ready when you press down on the dough and it springs right back. You just gotta knead it a little bit and then maybe a little more mixing. That hand. Okay, let me see. I think we're ready. Okay, now I'm going to put the dough in some clear wrap. And I'll see you back in an hour, and that's when our pasta dough will be ready. And I'll show you how to make homemade pasta. Okay guys, I'm back, and I'm going to show you how to make some linguine. So my dough is ready, and let me show you what we need for this step. You need a bench scraper, a very sharp knife, a lot of flour and a very heavy rolling pin. Okay, so I'm gonna film this. You only need a little bit of, like, a teeny piece of the dough. I'm gonna cut a little piece. Okay. And I'm just gonna do this because it's a little sticky. Okay. Now I'm just gonna push that to the side. I'm gonna sprinkle down some flour. Should be good. Now, put the dough down. Start rolling. It's a little tricky, and I have to roll a lot until it turns a little clear-like. It's like when it's very thin, because you want linguine to be thin, or else it won't cook. It will take like a long time to cook. But trust me, all this hard work is good because you have the best pasta after you make this recipe. So, everybody, you're gonna love this. A little more flour. Oh yeah, now it's working better. Takes a couple minutes to accomplish, but you need to press down a little hard, but it's actually pretty easy once you get the hang of it. So normally I would use my KitchenAid attachments, but not everybody has the KitchenAid attachment, so I want to show everybody how to do it by hand so everybody can do this. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more because it's kind of sticking. Uh-oh. Might need a little more flour on the ends. Now I'm just gonna fold it like pencil width and just keep on folding it, but make sure not to press down so that this will be how you can cut your pasta. And this is okay. Now that you have like this, do not press down, but take your very sharp knife and cut things like this, and then just unroll them, right? You got linguine. And now, just unroll them, and then you're ready to either freeze them, cook them now, dry them. You can do whatever you want with this pasta, really. It's crazy what you can eat with this. It's so good. This is like, after you eat this, you're not going to want to go back to store-bought pasta. Trust me. It kind of looks like a fruit roll-up. But it's linguine, so it's not a fruit roll-up, but it kind of looks like one. Okay. Ooh. Once you're ready and cooked, bon appetit. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. I hope to see you next time in my kitchen. Hey guys, so I'm back with my pasta, and I have it with butter and grated cheese. Okay, let's try it. Molto buone.